Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of dropshipping automation and explore whether DSers truly fulfills orders automatically. This question has been popping up a lot lately, and I'm here to give you the straight facts. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what DSers is. In short, it's a dropshipping platform that allows you to connect your online store to suppliers and automatically fulfill orders. This means that when a customer places an order on your store, DSers will place the same order with your supplier and have it shipped directly to your customer. Now, let's get to the main question. Does DSers automatically fulfill orders? The answer is yes and no. DSers does automate many of the steps involved in fulfilling an order, such as synchronizing orders from your store to the DSers platform, placing orders with your suppliers, tracking the shipping status of your orders, sending tracking numbers to your customers. However, there are still a few steps that require manual intervention. These include processing returns and refunds, handling customer service inquiries, resolving any issues that may arise with your orders. So, while DSers does make the process of fulfilling orders much easier, it's not completely automatic. There are still some things that you'll need to do manually. In addition to the above, it's important to note that the level of automation that DSers provides can vary depending on your supplier. Some suppliers may have more advanced integration with DSers, which allows for more automation. Others may have less advanced integration, which requires more manual intervention. So, what does this mean for you? If you're considering using DSers to fulfill your orders, it's important to be aware of the limitations of the platform. While it can automate many of the steps involved, there are still some things that you'll need to do manually. Overall, DSers is a powerful tool that can help you automate your order fulfillment process. However, it's important to have realistic expectations about what the platform can do for you. So there you have it. DSers can automate many of the steps involved in fulfilling an order, but it's not completely automatic. There are still some things that you'll need to do manually. If you're considering using DSers, I encourage you to do your research and weigh the pros and cons of the platform. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.